This is my puppy before he gets a bath with my bonehead son. Okay, bring him in here. Bring him in here. Bring him in here, please. Come on. Pick him up. He knows what's happening. Pick him up. Pick him up. He's not dumb.
Please.
Don't say that. Don't. I'm videotaping us. Put him in. No. In. Okay, hold this and make sure it's on camera.
Watch it. Are you started yet?
It's already started. Don't press anything.
This is Junior.
Push up.
Taking a bath.
Oops, I don't have it.
So it's starting.
That. And. No.
Move your bad head. Yeah. Junior taking a bath. Ha ha.
Okay, now he gets the lovely little shampoo. Okay.
How do you wipe your face?
Oh, you dirtbag!
Is that purple?
Yep.
Where did I go wrong? This is Junior's third bath, right, Mom?
Yep.
And he doesn't like it at all. He hates it. He's like a cat.
He looks like a drowned rat.
In the beginning, he looks like a cow, so. Junior! Look at the camera!
He's not gonna look at no camera. He's mad at me.
What's that freaking thing? That's like a mole rat.
No, I gotta wash you. Junior!
Looking like a mole rat. Are they in?
Yeah. I gotta move back.
I'm just gonna zoom in.
No, don't zoom in. Robert, just leave it out.
Look exactly on him now.
It's okay, just leave it.
Stop moving, Junior! Holy Jeebus!
No, Junior, you have to stay in here. Oh, my legs hurt. You dirtbag!
Who?
Him.
Shaking?
Yes. Okay.
Hi, Junior!
He's like, whatever.
I love you!
He's like, yeah, okay, you're just watching her do this for me. No, come here.
There, Junior!
Oh.
Shake, 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 shake! I think I hate you.
Shake. That's free.
Good.
Wait,
What did I press to stop it?
just the button that you take a picture with.
I wonder if I could take this with me.
Hell no. Okay, stop talking about things. Okay, there's my drowned rat. Ah, there you go. Stay there. Freeze. Don't you
Say
even think about it.
cheese! Junior, say cheese!
You can't take a picture.
I know, stop it. Wait.
Hold on.
After. I want to stop him looking at me, so.
Wait.
There's my mommy. Here's her beautiful hair.
No, you gotta stay.
Yeah, this is fun.
See, stop zooming in on me.
I didn't. Maybe I did a little bit, but... I see Junior's bum.
Look, there's me! Look at me clean! Okay. Oh, no. Hold on.
Where's his head? Say cheese!